Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. Today we will study about chapter 1 same and different from numeracy skill book plus workbook. Now first of all tell me that you and me are same. Same in size, same in color. We are same. No, we are different. We are different. Let's study with an example. What are these? These are chocolates in my hand, and I know all of you love to eat chocolates. Me too. Now, this is dairy milk chocolate, same like this. But this one is different. This is Kit Kat. These two are dairy milk chocolate and this one is Kit Kat. That means these two are same. But this one is different. These two are same in wrapper, same in company and same in length. But this one is different. Let's come back to our worksheet. Same and different. What is these? These two are apples. Apples in red color, but this one is different. This one is in green color. Okay, that's same when the object is same in color and size, and different when the object is different in color and size. Match the pair of same shoes. Now, this shoe is look like which one? Third one. These two are same. Second one, this one is look like this one. Okay, I hope you all understand this. This one, this. Now one is left. One is left. Yay. Now all of you complete this fast. I hope you all understand this. See you soon at the next class. Happy learning. Bye-bye.